In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive backups for both your mobile devices and PCs in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your backup settings effectively. Let's start on your PC. Go down to your taskbar where you'll see a little cloud icon representing OneDrive. Give it a click. This is your gateway to managing your OneDrive preferences. Next, you'll see a menu pop up. What you're looking for here is the settings option. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're into the settings, you might find yourself a bit overwhelmed by the number of options you have, but don't worry, we're only interested in a few specific settings. You want to navigate to the Sync and Backup tab. This is where you'll have control over what is being backed up from your PC to OneDrive. Under the Sync and Backup section, there's an option labeled Manage Backup. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the directories currently being backed up, like your desktop, documents, and pictures. Now this is the part where you can actually stop certain folders from being backed up. Simply select the folders you want to stop backing up and hit Stop Backup. Remember, this won't delete the files from your PC, it just stops future backups from those folders going to OneDrive. Now that you've managed what's being backed up, let's move over to dealing with existing backups already in OneDrive. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive Online. You might need to log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're into your OneDrive Online, you'll be greeted with all your files and folders. This is where you can start organizing and deleting any files or folders you no longer need. Simply navigate through the folders as you would on your desktop, select the files or folders you wish to delete, and either right-click to find the delete option or use the delete key on your keyboard. Keep in mind that deleting files from OneDrive Online means you'll need to double check if you still need those files on any of your devices, as this action is irreversible through OneDrive. While we're on the subject, a handy tip is to always ensure your important documents are backed up in more than one place. A cloud storage service like OneDrive is great, but having an external hard drive or another online service as a second backup method couldn't hurt. There you have it. You've successfully deleted OneDrive backups for both your mobile devices and PCs. Now your OneDrive should be streamlined with only the essentials. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!